Okay, well, today I'm going to work on making a form for the back um, fin of this car where the damage has happened. Um, I got to get something up and in there to be able to yank on this gently, of course, to straighten and pull the body panel off. Not off, but into a proper position so that I can get some of these dents and uh, get the rear quarter off of the back door on the car. Here, I'll just show you what's going on. So right here is all my damage. This is supposed to be, straight and smooth. Has caused a wrinkle here. See it, and also on this side here. And when, if you watch down the body line of that car, well, I can't really see it too much, but when I pull on that, there's a bow here in the quarter panel, and pulling on this to get, because that's the way it was pushed up, will help pull that off the door as well, and also flatten that quarter panel just a little bit and take that bow out. Hopefully straighten up the trunk as well. So I'm going to make something to go up on the inside here that I can bolt to, and it'll give me some grip and give it some yanks to see if I can get that thing straightened out. Never done anything like this before, so either pay somebody $1,300 to do it, or try to take care of it myself. Might as well try to take care of it myself and see where I can get. So here we go. Okay, so this is my idea. Got this block, a couple hooks on here. That way, a couple eyelets. I mean, I'm gonna hook into it. You can see the shape of this one. It really needs to be out more. I do have the trim pieces and will test fit as I go. So this has got to come out quite a bit up here. Probably give this a tug first, and then this will be for added support when I'm ready to pull that whole side quarter panel away from that door. So if I can get off that door and I can really work on the dents, it's more to get the door gap. Let me go over here. Here's the situation. As you can see, there's no gap here at all. There's a gap here, but as you go down, it's just on it, and it's bulged out all the way down to about here, because this whole fender, this whole fender is bulged out. It needs to go, and that'll help. And it's also, a body line here needs to be adjusted. That I hope it'll take care of that when I'm pulling this out. A little wrinkle there. So yeah, this just all needs to be pulled out and down because it was pushed up. All right. Well, I've got the car out. I'm going to give this fender a yank. I'll show you what I have hooked up here, So, got the tractor here, pulled it out, got a chain attached to my cinch block that I got in here. And I've already given it a couple cranks, and it's doing well. It's already pulled this out a little bit. And I've got some door separation happening. So we're going to give that a go a little bit more, see what's going on. Front side I've got chained to the truck, just with a block, keep it from going anywhere. So far so good, you know. Just give this thing some cranks, see what we got. Definitely keep working on it a little bit. Let me see how this turns out. You know, as I get into this, there's been something going on here before. I'm noticing that I'm getting into some Bondo that I didn't do. Might have been done on the second paint, might have been done on this paint job. Don't know. But getting a lot better as far as adding the pressure and straightening out this panel. Still needs some work, but it's looking good. I think I need to do a little pulling down here. This has got to come out some here. But this is not straight yet. Here's the straight on view of it now. You can see that's looking really good. I mean, I've still got some minor dents in it. I think, like I said, I think this has already been hit before because it's got some cracks there. But I mean, even that side here smoothed out a lot. And you know the gap has opened up some. You can see right here, this gap has opened up some. Now, I think originally this door was pretty tight to begin with. I've got a large gap on this side, so some door adjustments here should open this up just a little bit more. Well, she's definitely seen some work already in this area, but no reason for me to work on a little bit more. Get it as best as I can get it until taking it over to a shop or anything like that. I want to try to get it into a situation that I'm happy with. And I may not need the shop. We'll see how far this goes. Mm-hmm. all through yet. I don't think it's going to. Alright. Oh, yeah. This is straight, but that's got to come out right there. Straight and curl. It's pretty rough. That right there. You remember how crunched it was?
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming out a lot.
That was all crunched in, and this was all crunched in. But see, there's already a couple tears there. I didn't do that. And then a ton of body filler. See all that body filler? Yeah. There's primer, paint, and then just a ton of body filler right there.
Huh.
So I feel like it's already been damaged there. Yeah. But man, that was so bent in. Remember, it was just completely curled.
Oh.
So it looks a lot better. And my main thing is just getting I got an opening here, but like I said, I don't think there was much of one there to begin with. Plus I got a lot over here. I just need to shift the door, I think, a little bit, and I'll be okay. I don't think it pushed that body. Yeah, I don't think it pushed that body up as much as I thought it did. Everything's looking really good. This is supposed to be straight right here. And it's not. I mean, that's going to take some fine tools and getting up on the inside to get that out there. And there's still little dents and everything everywhere. There's supposed to be a bend right there. That's pretty consistent. That's usually underneath that fin panel, but I don't want to use those fin panels. I want to actually paint the design in there. So I'm happy with it. I like the way it came out. Got a lot of the major stuff out. Just have some of the minor stuff left. That'll have to be addressed with some more fine tuning, smaller tools, which is something I don't have, instead of just beating on it. I think it's going to come out really good. So as you can see, things are coming along really swell with the car. I'm happy with the progress that's being made. This is going to be an ongoing thing. That's okay. You know, small steps. Just get out and do what you have to do to get progress done, to get back into something that you want to drive, or any project that you're working on. Small steps. You know, do some research if you need to, if you haven't done it before. I think you'll be happy with the progress. I think you'll be happy with the end result. Just get out there and make it happen. Till next time.